Hi everybody, so the idea behind this video is that a couple of weeks ago I washed the S-Max and I was feeling a bit lazy, so I only did the Polar Blast on it because the seal was still quite good and it was beading really well, and I thought it came out fabulous. So I thought this time round I'd do the test again. So previous to that, the last time it had the full blast, wash and seal was 4 weeks ago, and that was about the third time the S-Max had been cleaned in this way. So it's had 2 weeks of sitting there getting dusty and having Polar Blast, which worked really well, and it's had another 2 weeks. So today I thought I'd give it a go again, and I'll show you some videos and let you know what I feel at the end, but I'm still very impressed with this product. It probably wasn't the best day to be doing this, as it was lightly drizzling, but as you can see, even after 6 minutes the foam is clinging to the car quite nicely. So it's done a pretty decent job. I think 4 weeks without doing the full cycle is too long. I suggest doing just the blast every other time, depending on how soiled the car is.